Hello everyone, welcome to AdiTrade. Today we're going to be seeing the CPR trade review for 16 Jan. What happened on Monday. See, this is the price action that we have along with the CPR. What happened today is we got a pretty big gap up, about 200 points from the previous day close. And once we got a gap up, the first 5-minute candle looked like we were breaking out of R1, but there was no follow-up, right? And along with that, we had pretty good resistance over here, the previous resistance, this price action. So we were careful that we might get some kind of a slip from here. And the best entry according to me based on the CPR was when the price fell and retraced and tested this CPR. We were able to short right at the top based on other weekly CPR and stuff, but a good entry, the best entry was here when there was a retest and the target was CPR, right? See, when we have a target of CPR, it's always good to exit at your target, right? It's if Banknifty moves, say today the entire point from the top to bottom, Banknifty has moved 650 points on the downside. It's not necessary that we have to aim to capture the entire 650 points. You capture even 40, 50% or 60% of this move is more than enough. So from the CPR until R1, that's all about what intraday trading is about, right? So from R1 to CPR, the move was about 287 points and a capture of this was pretty neat. Now just imagine, see over here, though we had this type of a price action, now somebody who is not using CPR, right, they would have thought even at this point we will continue to dip further, at least come until the previous day low or over here. But the moment you see sometimes how this CPR level works beautifully, this bounce came exactly at the CPR point, just a wick came below and immediately there was a big bounce on the upside, right? So that's the reason booking profits at the right time is also important, from one CPR level to another, from R1 to CPR. So it was a pretty easy and a good trade today. And if you see, even the bounce that came actually tested the previous day high. This was the previous day high. We came up, tested the previous day high, and see, all this extra was just scalping, but the best trade, scalping in the sense where you enter and exit as soon as possible. So all this type of moves we could have done with some scalping, but the best trade was from R1 to CPR. And once again, the CPR has shown the indicator itself and the levels have shown they do work beautifully, especially for intraday trading. Thank you.